Where are you going, Hannah?
I'm going to McDonald's.
You going to McDonald's?
Ayo.
Come here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Let's place the order. Place it.
Start order.
Yeah, start it.
English?
Yeah, you know English, right?
Yeah.
So, do it.
Eaten. Eaten, right?
Yeah, eaten.
I forgot this is see guys, this is a competition between Subway and McDonald's. Let's check.
Okay. You select Mac Chicken.
Okay, should I click it?
Yeah.
My
Only the item. We don't want a meal, right? You want a meal? You want a meal?
no.
No. Okay.
But what
Okay.
does meal mean? What do we have to
It
take?
has the Coke and all French fries along with it.
Chicken customized one.
No, we don't want
What is
customized.
customized?
Let them make as it is. Original.
Add to order.
Yeah.
That's it. Right?
Yeah. No, we have to place the order. You have to pay also. No, pay them. Where's your money?
I don't know. I'm worried.
Where's your money?
Let me see if I have some coins. Oh, I have nothing. See,
Nothing. Then we can't eat. Then you have taken me for a treat, right? Where's your money?
You have your money.
I don't have money. I was dependent on you.
I'm sorry, I did not bring any money, so let's get on with it.
That's okay, beta. That's okay. Chal.
Okay,
Okay. You can take any, but 25 is there on the top. You can take 25 first.
I want 26.
26 might not be there now. We have to search, beta.
Okay, fine. Taking the cousin.
Okay, enter that number here. 25.
25. Continue.
Yeah. Correct.
Thanks.
Okay.
Oh, no. I feel like bathrooms. Let's go to the bathroom.
So start. Open it up. Open it up.
I didn't know that we had.
Yeah.
Okay, let's how you do like professional.
What do you want to try?
Okay, let's first split it in half.
Okay. You can't split it in half because they don't have a knife. You have to just eat.
We'll just use that one.
You have to just eat, now, beta. Just take a bite.
Okay, yeah. First I'll take a bite.
Can I take a bite now? So I'll take a bite now.
Do you like it?
As always. Same taste. You want to finish it off?
Let's try with ketchup.
Look at the mouth. Look at the mouth. Cartoon.
Tara, what do you rate? What do you rate the burger?
Let me finish eating first.
What would you rate it?
I reserve my rating. I'll rate only after I try Subway chicken craver.
But what if you forget the taste? Come on, just stay now.
It's good. Out of 5.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. Okay. 8 out of 10.
What did you not like?
Could I have had more flavor? Different flavor.
Yeah.
Right now it's like more chicken flavor. It's not having the sauce kind of flavor. Additional, extra. That's where I got 2 marks. 2 points. Okay?
Okay.
What is your rating?
My rating was probably 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Why not 10 on 10?
It has less flavor. And I feel the chicken is a bit too much yellow for some reason.
Too much. But that's a positive point, right? There is too much chicken.
And that's I feel something weird in it, but it's good.
Acha. Okay. So let's move from here now. We'll go to
Subway.
Subway. What?
This down.
Okay. What do you want to eat today? Chicken? We'll have a chicken craver. Okay. So which one have you taken?
The chicken one is spicy one is orange.
Spicy chicken. Okay. Let's see how it is. Okay.
Okay, they gave us a crave. This is called a craver, but they did not give us sauce.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
let's
they
try.
didn't give us all the sauces all inside, beta. You know? What?
That's good.
Then why did you remove it?
That's good.
It's good. What's the rating?
Not now.
Not now. Okay. Good. The spicy chicken is quite spicy.
Okay. Wait, Nana.
What's the rating?
Oh, 10, right?
Yeah.
I'll give 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? But your face is not saying that.
10 out.
Face is saying something else.
It's really good.
I think you like McDonald's more.
Nah, I like it.
Okay. What do you like about this that McDonald's did not have?
This has more flavor.
So because you asked for it, na? You asked spicy chicken. So they made a flavorful spicy
They
chicken.
give more sauces. Like though.
Acha.
Nah? And it's more flavorful.
Acha.
The chicken is very good for
Okay. Okay. Can I try? Let me give my ratings now. It's good, definitely good.
What's your rating?
Same.
10 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Why?
Why? They made spicy chicken just spicy. Without the actual flavor or something. It's just spicy. And there's nothing great about it. But it is good, very good. Okay? And same as McDonald's.
Okay, let's finish this.
So the chicken patty.
The patty.
This is how it was. This is the entire patty. Now it's only one piece left. Small piece
We
left.
asked for small, that's why they gave small.
Why are you removing all these things?
Huh?
You don't like this or what?
I have a...
Now let's talk about the value for money also, Hannah.
Okay, McDonald's was
147.
And while this sub flavor was
104.
104. So, what is the difference?
So,
Okay,
which is more value for money?
In this flavor.
Correct. This has better flavors and better quantity, same quantity rather, better flavors and lesser price, right?
Yeah.
At 104 rupees just. And so that's why it gets 1 point more from my side. So I'll also change my ratings. So I've changed my rating to 9 out of 10 for Subway Craver. And McDonald's was 8 out of 10. Okay?
Mine was 7.
Yes, yes. So let us add the scores.
Yeah.
Okay, McDonald's mine was 8 and this is 9.
Mine was
I'll give 9 for this. So 8 and 9 is, sorry, no. McDonald's and McDonald's will add, right?
Yeah.
8 plus 8.
No, 8 plus 7.
8 plus 7. It's 15. And Subway mine is 9 and yours is 10. So 19. So 15 versus 19 out of 20. So good. So Subway wins in this case, right? Yes. Stay tuned to World of Ahana for food videos, travel videos,
And
general fun
fun,
videos,
and fun,
right? Family videos.
Great ideas.
Great ideas. And craft by Ahana. She does very good craft. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. And it was so spicy that we had to take smooth.
Not gonna lie, the smooth was better than all those foods.
And smooth is very sasta also, 10 rupees, right?
So actually smooth wins.
Yes, correct. Bye bye.